guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video featuring my Louis Vuitton new edition bum bag. I just recently got this bum bag and I am super excited about it. I love it so much. I will give you guys a little review and some mod shots today. So if you are interested in this video, then just keep on watching. Like I said before, this is a new bag in my collection, and before we get started, I just wanted to say sorry about if you hear like wind. It's so windy today where I live, so you might hear that throughout the video, and I'm sorry. But to continue, yeah, this is my new bag. I love this bag so much. It is so easy to use. It's just so classic. The monogram, you could really wear it with any outfit. That is why I got the monogram canvas. It's a very neutral, you know, kind of bag. So to explain about the bag a little bit, there is this piece of vachetta strap right here that acts as like a handle for the bag. This bag is so versatile. The strap itself is one piece of vachetta with like the belt, but also this bag, wow, I just noticed this. This bag has like extra little detailing. I just noticed that I forgot to take off the wrapper to like the metal, but I'll keep it on because it protects it. But yeah, like on this belt part right here, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it does say Louis Vuitton on it. The little like pull tabs for the bag has LV on it. Just like the extra little detailing on this bag, I love when bags put that extra detailing to like make it more unique. So yeah, this is the zipper pull tab. It hides between this flap, and I do recommend that when you are opening this bag that you put the flap totally up so the zipper doesn't get caught on this and starts, you know, to lose or peel at the monogram. But yeah, this is the zipper. It hides away, and I love how it like hides away. It just makes it one piece of canvas, and I just think it like puts the bag together, if that makes sense. But as I'm opening this, I'm gonna show you what I have. Also, there's a little tab here that's vachetta that just says Louis Vuitton Paris on it, and also this D-ring with the little vachetta tab that holds it. You could put your keys on here. You could put like a little scarf. You could put any keychain just to make the bag more cute. But I don't put anything. Maybe I will add like a little cute, I think like a little cute pom-pom on this would make it look cuter. But the bag itself is just adorable and beautiful. So yeah, let's get into what I keep in this bag. Also, the zipper pull tab on the back, there's like a deep pocket, but I'll get into that after when we get through the first part. Okay, like I said, there's two pull tabs to close the bag and open it. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is my wallet. This is the Zippy Coin Purse 2019 Christmas animation. It is in the damier ebene print with the beautiful Italian Vivian. If you would like to check out my video, I do have an unboxing on this wallet, so I will link it above, so go check it out. But yeah, it's so beautiful, this wallet. I have been loving using this wallet. It is so compact and thin that it fits in all my small bags. And if you guys have been watching my videos lately, you know I've been on a bag binge, but also it's like a mini bag binge. I've been loving mini bags and like mini compact bags, so it fits perfectly. So opening it, I'm not going to show you my cards or anything, but yeah, I will do a video explaining this wallet if you want, or what I could put in this wallet, how I organize my wallet. So if you're interested in that, just leave me down a comment or like this video. But yeah, this is my wallet. The next thing that I'm pulling out, and I did not organize this in no way or shape or form, I literally just came home from the mall, so I just kept everything that I had in my bag in here and did this video. So So the next thing that I'm pulling out is my inhaler. I have asthma, so I need to bring this everywhere I go or I can't breathe. The next thing that I'm pulling out are these Trader Joe's organic peppermints. I love these peppermints. They don't have like a lot of sugar in them or anything, so I like carrying these with me. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my Louis Vuitton key pouch. I love this pouch so much. I use this for so many different things, and I do actually have a video on this, so if you want to go check that out, I will also leave a link above. But what I have in here is usually like loyalty cards or like business cards for like luxury stores, all like my sales associates cards, just like coupons. I have coupons for Journeys. I have a coupon for Bath and Body Works, all that little things. I just stick in here because I hate like having floating things in my bag. That's one of my pet peeves for my bag. I like to be very organized and all, but I also have a like cleansing wipe for like phones and my laptop and my glasses. So that is what I keep in this little baby. Next thing that I'm pulling out is my hand lotion. This is the Gold Bond Aloe Healing hand lotion. In the winter time, I get so dry, my hands especially, and I hate that. So I always have to have lotion with me. And the next thing that I have is just this receipt from a car place. So that's what I have. And that is empty, guys. So is it? Oh yeah, it is empty. So it is empty now. I'm gonna close it. You could fit so much in this bag. When I first got it, before I got it, I was watching reviews on this bag and like videos of what people could fit in this, and you could fit so much. I just love to play around with my bags and see what I can fit, what I can get away with fitting, what are the uses I can use it for. So it's just so much fun to do that. But the back pocket is where I usually just stick my phone. I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so I have that in there, and I always put my phone in there because it's convenient. I'm always taking it out when I'm out, so I just like to put it in this deep pocket. This pocket is so deep. I usually put my chapstick in here. I left it in the car though. But yeah, you can fit a lot in this back pocket, and I love this back pocket. So happy that it's a feature of this bag, and it also does have the chunky zipper pull tab that has LV on it. But yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Bum Bag, and I love this bag so much. I haven't found any cons to this bag yet. I've only had it for about a month or so. So yeah, don't have really any cons of this bag, except that I can't really wear it when it rains because of the vachetta, and I'm too scared to like spray something on it to prevent it. And also the reason why I don't want to spray on it is because I do love when the leather gets patinaed. I just love that look. I don't know why. And it is starting, and it looks so beautiful. It's like this caramel, you're not gonna be able to see it because of the lighting, but it's becoming like this caramel kind of color, and it's just so pretty. But yeah, that's probably like a tiny con, but the rest, I love this bag so much. Is it worth it? Definitely. It is a big price tag for this bag for what it is, but I mean, it's totally worth it. You'll have it forever. It's canvas, it's sturdy, very durable. It's this like squishy material, but you could tell that it will definitely hold up. But yeah, I really can't say much more about this bag yet. I'll do like a thorough review on it if you'd like to see that, definitely. But yeah, so I thought I would just include some mod shots at the end of this video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I carried in it. It is like an old school kind of video, but I love personally watching like other YouTubers making these kinds of videos. It's so much fun to watch, and like I like seeing what other people put in their purses. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just so nosy that I like to see what other people carry. But yeah, that is my video today. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, go follow me on Insta, put my name here, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye.